See Standard 10th, Chapter 3, Algebra, Exercise 320, 1 mark questions. First question, a system of three linear equations in three variables is inconsistent if their planes are. See, the given equations are inconsistent means we cannot solve this equation. They have no solution. In that case, the equations neither intersect nor parallel also. So, and also they do not coincide also. In that case, no solution means do not intersect. Option D. The solution of the system, three equations are given, x plus y minus 3z equal to minus 6. It has three variables, but see the second equation has only two variables, third is with only one. So the solution is given for all the three variables. Let me take the first third equation, 3z equal to 9 means z equal to 9 by 3, 3. Now take the second equation, minus 7y plus 7z is equal to 7. Minus 7y plus, substitute z as 3. 7 3s are 21 equal to 7. So minus 7y equal to 7 minus 21 minus 7y equal to minus 14. So y is equal to minus 14 by minus 7, that is y equal to 2. So we got z as 3, y is 2. Substitute in the first equation, x plus y minus 3z is equal to minus 6. So here you have to find x, y is 2 minus z is 3. So 3 3s are 9 is equal to minus 6. So x minus 7, 2 minus 7 minus 7 minus 6. So x equal to minus 6 plus 7, x equal to 1. You got the solution, x is 1, y is 2, z is 3, and this is in option A. See the third question. If x minus 6 is a HCF of x squared minus 2x minus 24 and x squared minus kx minus 6, then the value of k. See, x minus 6 is a HCF means it is the common factor for both the equation. So it satisfies both the equation. So already we see this is given, we can find the factor. See, 6 4s are 24. So x minus 6, x plus 4. You got x minus 6 one factor. So this equation must also satisfy by this x minus 6. So let me take this as p of x as x squared minus kx minus 6. Replace x as 6 squared minus 6k minus 6 is equal to 0 because it is a factor. So 36 minus 6k minus 6 is equal to 0. 36 minus 6, 30 minus 6k is equal to 0. Minus 6k is equal to minus 30. So k equal to minus 30 by minus 6. K is 5. The value of k is 5. Option 5. B. And see this one. 3y minus 3 by y divided by 7 by minus 7 by 3y squared. So division means first term you can write as it is. Put into and write the reciprocal of the second one, 3y squared 7y minus 7. So 3 is common, y minus 1 by y. 3y squared, 7 is common here, y minus 1. See, y minus 1 cancel, y cancel. So you will get 3 3s are 9, y by 7. See, this answer is in option A. See the fifth sum, y square plus 1 by y squared is not equal to, actually. See, I take y square plus 1 by y squared. I simplify. See, y squared is the LCM. So y squared into y squared is y power 4 plus 1. So you are supposed to get this answer. So option A you are getting. But they don't ask you the equal to, not equal to. See, and see if you expand this also, option C, y squared, option C, y squared minus 2 plus 1 by y squared plus 2. Plus 2 ends to cancel. You are getting the terms original sum here. And same this for also. But B answer, if I expand, I am getting the addition one term. So B, in the B answer, y plus 1 by y the whole square, expand y square plus 2 into y into 1 by y, 2 plus 1 by y square. So option B is not. The other terms are equal to this expression. See, sixth sum. Again you subtract the two expression, you will get this answer. So first term, let me write x by x square minus 25. It is an identity a square minus b squared, 5 squared, x plus 5, x minus 5 minus 8 by, so 1 5s are 5, if you add you are getting 6. So x plus 1, x plus 5. So x plus 5 is common, x minus 5, x plus 1. So x plus 5 here, x minus 5 here. So you will get x plus 1. So x into x plus 1 minus 8 into x plus 1 goes off, x plus 5 goes off, x minus 5. So x squared plus x minus 8x, 8 5s are 40 plus 40 divided by, so x plus 5 into x minus 5, you are getting x square minus 25 into x plus 1, because in the denominators the terms are given. So this is equal to x squared minus 7x plus 40 by denominator. So this is your option C. This answer we are getting in option C. See the next question. The square root of 256 x power 8 y power 4 z power 10 divided by the denominator. You write them separately. 256 x power 8 y power 4 z power 10 divided by 25 x power 6 y power 6 z power 6. You have to find the square root of this. So what is the square root of this? 256, 16. Square root of 25 is 5. And take the half of this degree, x power 4 y squared z power 5. You have to take the half of this, x cube y cube z cube. You can cancel the common term 16 by 5 bar. So here x will goes off here, you will get 1. Then y squared fully cancel here, denominator you are getting y, z cube, so z squared. So x z square by y, option D. Option 8th question. Which of the following should be added to make x power 4 plus 64 a perfect square? So this is an expression. Some terms should be added to make it as a perfect square. Actually, x square the whole square. 64 is here 8 square. So in between you have to add which term? 2ab form, 2ab. So 2ab is 2 into x squared into 8. So that is 8 2s are 16. In that case it makes as a perfect square. So which term we have added? 8 2s are 16x squared, option B. The question, which term is added? So no other way, just you find the term which should be added to make it as a perfect square. Next question. The solution of 2x square minus 1 the whole square minus 9 is equal. Solution. When they ask you to find the solution, you make them as equal to 0. So 2x minus 1 the whole squared equal to 9. Taking square root on both sides. So 2x minus 1 is equal to square root of 9 is plus or minus 3. So two options are given. 2x minus 1 is plus 3 and 2x minus 1 is minus 3. So 2x equal to, when you take this 1 to the other side, it becomes plus 1, 4. So x equal to 4 by 2, 2. But this side minus 3, when it goes to the other side, plus 1, so minus 2. X is 2 by 2 is 1, minus 1. Option 2 and minus 1, option C. You are getting option C. See, the values of A and B if is a perfect square. See, actually this is the 5-mark question, long division method of finding square root. You have to find the constant value A and B. See, you do that long division method. Otherwise, one way of doing this is, see, n term should be the perfect square. Here 4 means here B should be the perfect square. So we can take this 100, option 100. So, and also see, and here one term is minus. So there should be one more term, alternative positive term should be there. One more term should be negative. So A should be the minus term. So minus 120. So only possibility you are getting minus 120, 100. You can remember in this way. This is perfect square, then B should be also the perfect square term. So C, option C. See the next question. If the roots of the equation q squared x squared plus p squared x plus r squared equal to 0 are the squares of the roots of the equation qx square plus px plus r equal to 0, then pqr in dash. Not PQR, Q, Q, P, R in dash. See, if the roots of the equation are the squares of the roots of the equation. So first let me take the roots of this equation, qx squared plus px plus r equal to 0. Alpha and beta are the roots. Alpha and beta are the roots. So therefore the roots of this equation is squares of these roots. So alpha squared, take the equation first. Qx squared, q squared x squared plus p squared x plus r squared equal to 0. So alpha squared, the roots are squares of this roots of the equation. Alpha squared and beta squared are the roots. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So minus p by q. Product of the roots alpha beta equal to c by a, r by q. Here alpha square plus beta square is equal to minus p square by q square. Product of the roots alpha square beta square equal to r squared by q square. See, the second term alpha beta is r by q. So square this, alpha square beta square equal to r squared by q square. Both are correct. You take the first one. Here it's given alpha plus beta is minus p by q. Alpha square plus beta squared is minus p square by q squared. Let me take this term alpha squared is equal to minus p square by q square. This can be replaced as a plus b the whole square minus 2ab. Alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta minus p square by q square. So what is alpha plus beta? Minus p by q. So we will get square p square by q square minus 2 alpha beta. Alpha beta is r by q is equal to minus p square by q square. So you take this to the side. Actually, I don't have the place. So let me write here. So p squared, you bring this p squared by q squared this side. So you will get plus. So p 2p square by q squared equal to, you take this to the other side, 2r by q. So 2 cancel, 1 q cancel. So p squared is equal to, you take this q to the other side, qr. P squared is equal to qr. So this is the term for the geometric progression. If you see q, p, r, n, so that the center term squared is equal to the product of the extreme term. So option B. See, just please you can just understand this first steps and second one, third step, and here you come to the fourth step. Sorry for the inconvenient. Let me go to the next question. Graph of a linear equation is, what is linear equation? Actually, y is equal to ax plus b. This is a linear equation. If I substitute the value for x corresponding, I get the value for y. So in that case, I'll get the straight line. The number of points of intersection of the quadratic polynomial with the x-axis. So just you factorize. It's a quadratic polynomial. In how many terms it intersects? Question. So 2 squared, x 2 2s are 4, x plus 2 the whole squared is equal to 0. So x plus 2 is 0. So x is equal to, we are getting the value for x as only minus 2, single value. So the curve intersect at only one point, option B. For the given matrix A, the order of the matrix A transpose. See, actually first you take the order of the matrix A. Actually order of matrix is 3 rows and 4 columns. 3 by 4. So A transpose. Just we interchange the rows into column into rows. I make column as row and row as column. So the order will be also changed. 4 by 3. 15th question. If A is a 2 by 3 matrix and B is a 3 by 4 matrix, how many columns does AB have? So write AB. This is of order 2 by 3. This is of order 3 by 4. See, the interior terms are equal. So the order of AB is 2 by 4. So this is row and this is column. So 4 columns. Option B. See, if the number of columns and rows are not equal in a matrix, then it is said to be a. See, if the number of columns and rows are equal, it is a square matrix. If they are not equal, both are different, means it becomes a rectangular matrix. It is a rectangular matrix. Transpose of a column matrix. See, column matrix, for example, let me take 1, 2, 3. 3 rows but only one column. If the matrix has only one column, it is a column matrix. I make it as a transpose. Transpose is 1, 2, 3. So 1 row and 3 columns. 1 row and 3 columns. So the transpose of a column matrix becomes the row matrix. Option D. Option. Find the matrix X if 2x plus 1, 3, 5, 7 equal to this. You find the matrix X matrix. So 2x is equal to 5, 7, 9, 5. You take this to the other side. 1, 3, 5, 7. So this is 5 minus 1 is 4, 7 minus 3, 4, 9 minus 5, 4, 5 minus 7 is minus 2. So x equal to, you divide each term by 2. You take this 2 to the other side. All this mental calculation, 2 to 2 minus 1. The matrix X is 2 to 2 minus 1. Option B. See which of the following can be calculated from the given matrix. A matrix, the order is 3 by 2. B matrix, the order is 3 by 3. A squared, you find A square, B squared, AB, BA. So which can be calculated? The options are given. First option, A squared. A squared is A into A. So the order is 3 by 2. 3 by 2, 3 by 2. So this is not equal, so cannot be calculated. Cannot be calculated. B squared is 3 by 3. 3 by 3. So B into B, it can be calculated. Equal, so it can be calculated. This is cannot be. This can be. And next option AB. AB is 3 by 2, 3 by 3 is not equal, cannot be. BA, this is 3 by 3, A matrix is 3 by 2. See, they are equal, so it can be. So the second option, second one and fourth one I can calculate. So second and third, it is in option second and fourth I can calculate. It is in option C. Option C. See the same model. 20th sum. A matrix of order 2 by 3. B matrix is of order 3 rows and 2 columns. C matrix 2 by 2. Which of the following statements are correct? So just you see which can be possible first of all. See, AB plus C. This is A matrix and B matrix. First statement is AB plus C. AB plus C. Look at the order alone. So the order is order of A is 2 by 3. The order of B is here 3 by 2. So both are equal. So it is 2 by 2. Plus C. C also 2 by 2. We can add this. So first one we can add. Possible. Just put tick mark. Next one BC. Multiplication. BC. B is of order 3 by 2 and C is of order also 2 by 2. So answer is 3 by 2. We can do multiplication. BC. BA plus C. BA plus C. B is of order 3 by 2. C is of order 2 by 3 plus C. So equal, but this order is 3 by 3, but this order is 2 by 2. So plus addition cannot be possible. Addition cannot be possible. And next option AB into C. AB into C. A is of order 2 by 3, B is of order 3 by 2. So same, we are getting 2 by 2. And C is of order 2 by 2. So if you do multiplication, it is possible for it. Answer is 2 by 2. See, look at the options. Here, look at the options. Here, 3 are possible. First one, second one, fourth one possible. Third is not possible. So if you have third in any option, just give into marker. This is not possible, this is not possible. But A option gives you first and the second. They don't mention you the fourth, so don't worry about it. So first and second one is possible. So all of this is not true. So only option A. You choose option A. See, with that, all the 1 mark questions are over. So I hope you could understand and do the problems. Understand that and by heart the answers. Thank you.